Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share what I ended up using to protect my investment slash bag. So before I get into that, I need for y'all to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. So before I jump into the review, I did wanted to share how I ended up spraying my bag. As you can see, I'm on my patio. I didn't want to film myself talking, so that's why I ended up doing this voiceover. I did end up using like an old towel because I didn't want to spray it directly on my patio rug because I wasn't sure if the black and white would have rubbed off, y'all. Like, I just wasn't sure, and I didn't want to take any chances. So you do want to, before you decide to spray your products, bags, or whatever, you do want to use something to protect it underneath. And so I just sprayed. I just got the spraying. And on the bottle it states that it's good for suede things. Now I'm not sure, I don't think the inside of my bag is suede, but I did spray the inside of the bag to protect that as well. As you can see, I started taking all the little things off of the bag because I wanted to spray each thing individually. So that's what you will see me doing here. And like I said, I just got the spraying, y'all. I sprayed, and I did leave the bag on the patio for a while just to let it, you know, set, and then also to let it air dry, because like I said, the fumes in this here particular bottle is very strong. So I will not recommend you to use this in your house unless you have like a garage or some type of outside area. So I hope I was able to show enough. So if y'all decide to want to spray your products, so now let's get into the review. To my channel and you didn't see none of the videos, I'm gonna just really quickly share what happened. I bought this bag like a month ago. I wore a one-time experience color transfer. I didn't have on no jeans or anything like that. I don't know what happened. I had on something blue, color transfer all over the back of my bag. I panicked. I didn't know what to do. I tried so many things. I tried the magic eraser. I tried an actual pencil eraser. I tried this here Coach cleaner. I'm not sure if this is just for Coach. I am filming from my G7X, so the focus may not be on point. But yeah, I did use this. This didn't work at all. So like I said, I'm not sure if this is only for Coach products. But what I did do was I went on Google. Let me tell you, Google saved my bag. The two things they told me to use were fingernail polish remover and alcohol. I didn't want to use fingernail polish remover. Like I stated in my video, all I have is acetone fingernail polish remover. So what I ended up doing was using alcohol wipes. I didn't use like the bottle with a cotton ball. I ended up using these here cotton pads. So if y'all know, these cotton pads are like really thin. It doesn't have a whole lot of alcohol. These are the cotton pads that you use for like if you get a needle or something, they rub your arm really quick. Just enough to remove the blue color transfer that was on this bag, on this particular bag. Completely take it off, but it took it off enough to the point where I am satisfied. Insert the videos up top, and I would try and link them down below so you can actually see the video and the pictures, because the pictures I don't have on my phone anymore, so I can't insert them in this here video. But if I find them, I will insert the pictures throughout the video so you can see how bad the color transfer was. But like I said, if I can't find them for whatever reason, just click on the videos down below. So the reason why I ended up doing this video was because I just felt like I wanted to keep y'all in the loop of this here particular situation, y'all. Because let me tell you, your girl was like, oh my gosh, I was going crazy, because this bag, if y'all didn't know, is not a cheap bag. And for me to only wear it one time and to experience that, I was just like, oh my goodness. So a lot of y'all recommended a lot of different things off of Amazon. So what I ended up purchasing was the Apple Guard. I did get this off of Amazon, and the crazy thing is I had this before, because when I first purchased my Louis Vuitton, a lot of people recommended this, and I had it for so long I ended up throwing it out. I did, because plus it was old anyway. And I do notice that the bottles are not as big as they used to be when I first purchased the Apple brand. So this here protects your bag from rain and stain. Now I'm not sure if they're from color transfer, but at this point I just was willing to try anything. But it filmed me applying everything on the particular bag. I just didn't talk because I was on my patio, because of course this hairspray is really strong, so you don't want to spray this in your house. So I did spray this outside on the patio, and I just didn't feel comfortable talking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a voiceover explaining what I was doing, or if it's gonna be at the beginning or the end of this particular video. It was, I took this hairspray, a towel, I had like an old green towel that I use for like when I put perms and colors and dyes in my hair. So I laid that out on my patio and I sprayed my bag. When I tell you I sprayed my bag, I sprayed my bag. I even sprayed it in the inside because it's safe to spray this on suede. So I figured, I'm not sure if this is suede, but it kind of feels like a suede material. So I did spray the inside of my bag. I did have an insert for this here particular bag. I didn't really care for that insert. So I did return it. It was from Amazon. And I do want to keep the bottom of my bag pretty, but I just felt like the organizer just took away from the bag. So I don't know, I'm gonna just be careful of what I put in here. I just love this pink inside of the bag. This is why I purchased this bag, because of the pink interior. Like if the black would have came with a different color interior, I would have got the black. I just didn't like the black on black. In my first video I wasn't sure about this hair button. This hair button is covered with like a piece of tape or something. I'm going to let it fall off, because of course once it fall off, that's it. So I'm gonna let it stay on as long as possible, because once you close it you can't really see it, and the magnetic piece is really strong. So when I tell you, after those two videos I stopped wearing this particular bag, because again I was waiting to purchase this, and then I did go away for a while. So I had to wait to come back to use, to spray my bag. I took everything apart as far as the straps. Oh, my camera lights are blinking. I took everything apart as far as the straps, because when I tell y'all I sprayed this hair bag, it didn't leave anything on the bag. Now I'm not going to put my stuff in it. I'm gonna wait 24 hours just to make sure it's sealed in, like the spray is sealed or whatever. I just wanted to share really quick what I ended up doing to the bag, and then I'll probably do another video of how I packed the bag. But like I said, I just want to let it sit for 24 hours just to lock in the apple guard. Take everything apart so I can spray each piece and inside and all of that, because I did get color transfer a little bit on my straps. I did spray some of this here gold, but it didn't do anything, because you can still see some of the color transfer. But like I said, it's a whole lot better than what it was when I first saw the color transfer. So again, I'm not worried about that. And then once it's placed on my back, you can't see it. So like I said, I'm fine with that. I sprayed this bag, and make sure you outside, because it's really strong. Now it didn't take away the leather smell, because I can still smell the leather on my bag, so it didn't take away that smell. So it dried really nice. I did let it sit out on my balcony for a little while just to air out. This part, I sprayed this front and back. I sprayed this also front and back, and then I sprayed these here little these little whatever hoop loops. I sprayed both of these individually just to protect them as well. I sprayed in here, I sprayed the handle, I sprayed all of this. Like, y'all, when I tell you I sprayed this here bag, because I do not want to experience no issues. Like I said, again, I'm not sure if this is going to protect my bag from color transfer, but like I said, moving forward, I'm gonna just be careful on what I wear. I really didn't get a chance to really enjoy my bag as of yet, but now since I sprayed her down and got her ready, I think I'm ready to start wearing. It is a beauty, and it's not as popular as some of the bags that I have. So it's like this bag you don't see as much as you see a Neverfull, Speedy, and all of that. So when I carry this bag, it's like, you know, I get a lot of compliments when I do carry this here particular bag. So what I'm doing now is just letting it, you know, sit overnight to, I guess, seal in the protecting from the apple guard. Yeah, so let me see what else. It was, okay, let me see. Oh, that was a little spot. I just rubbed it off, but internal leather, any particular color. When I sprayed the bag, it was a little wet, but again, it did end up drying. What they do is buy like a leather conditioner just to moisturize the bag or whatever, because of course I know alcohol dries your bag out, like a lot of people were saying that, but at that moment I didn't care. I'd rather have my bag dried out versus it looking all crazy with the blue color transfer. I'm with that, but like I said, I'ma just buy some conditioner just to condition the bag. I may use this here leather cleaner and just wipe the bag down. It says to remove surface dirt. So yeah, this didn't work at all. What else I wanted to share really quick. So yeah, this didn't turn any colors because as you can see, everything still looks the same. You don't see no drops or anything. I think I see a little bit, but again, you can just wipe that off. It was took a little rag and wiped the bag down. Not a damp, like a baby wipe, and just wipe everything down. That's probably what I end up doing. Take a baby wipe and just wipe the bag down just to, I don't know, give it some, it seemed like it needs some conditioner on it. I tell you, I sprayed this here bag, a light pink Gucci little purse. I'm gonna go ahead and use this on that as well, just to protect the bag. Like I said, when I wear that, I normally wear that when I wear sundresses and things, so I will be using this to protect this. Of course, I'm not going to use this on my darker things like my Gucci more amount, because that's in black. So yeah, update you all on this here particular bag, because when I tell you, I was devastated. Like, I was just so heartbroken. But at the end of the day, it's just a bag, I know, and there's more things to be concerned and worried about. But y'all bag lovers out there get me. Y'all really understand, because when something happens, it doesn't matter what it is. It's just like, you know, because these bags are like our babies. So it's like when something happens, it's like, oh my gosh, y'all might be like, oh girl, it's just a bag. But y'all bag lovers understand. Okay, y'all, my battery keep running out, but I was trying to say really quick, a lady, I think her name Mama Beach or something like that, she has this turtle dove, not this particular backpack, but she has this color in the Neverfull, and she was having issues with the bag turning colors at the bottom. I think she also said Louis Vuitton wasn't helpful. So yeah, I don't know what's up with that, y'all, but just wanted to let you know I did protect her. So y'all were so helpful with recommending this to your girls. So now down below, can y'all recommend some good leather conditioners, or like leather, something that I can use to like moisturize the bag or whatever? I just wanted to get on here and update you all. So my next video will be what I put in the bag. I just felt like I didn't feel like doing both, y'all, because lately I haven't been in a filming mood. That's why you don't see my face, because I'm not dressed, because I like to get on here when I'm, you know, when I'm put together. But I just wanted to just, sometimes I don't, you know, it's just been so hot in Georgia. I just really wasn't in the mood to do my makeup. But I just wanted to get on here and share with you all, review on this here product. So like I said, so far so good. It didn't stain my bag. It didn't leave any watermarks or anything like that. Like I said, if y'all use this down below, again, let me know your thoughts or share your experience using this. Now, it was another brand of spray. It begins with a C, but I don't know, I just ended up getting this one. I just wanted to, you know, share really quick. So with that being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps out my channel. And if my hands was ashy, I'm sorry, because at this point I didn't want to put no lotion or nothing on my hands, y'all, because when I tell you I'm gonna have to baby her, I have to treat her like a baby. I'm not gonna be able to toss and throw her like my other bags. So yeah, my hands was ashy. I'm sorry. I did take off my nails, so that's why my hands look like this, because I did my nails myself. I just wanted to, I don't know, I just wanted to give my nails a break. So yeah, with that being said, also before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, And there will be a next time. We will talk to you later. Bye.